It hits you after 2 bites.
No, I'm getting very sweet. That's Sivaya sweet. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a taste testing video again. But this time we are going to be trying ramens, and you know Korea is famous for ramens and there are so many. We have decided just to try 5 of them, and in the lot we have spicy ones as well. And let's see how spicy they are. I mean, according to our palate, we are very used to spicy food, and I'm going to be trying it along with a friend. So both of us enjoy spicy food. So let's start. And before that, let me show you the ramen. So the first one, so this one is a sesame based ramen, and it's not supposed to be that spicy. Then this one is supposed to be a fiery ramen. So as you can see here, look at his mouth and look at the fire here. And it says a spice level of, there's only 1 chili. So here they signify the spice level by 1 or 2 chilies. So it says 1 chili here, so I think it's just spice level 1. This is again a spicy one. We have 2 chilies on it. So this one also we'll be trying. Then this also is a spicy one. This one is a cheese based one. And each one has around 4 or 5. Of course, we are not going to be finishing the whole pack. Maybe just one, and both of us will share one. So let's begin. Okay guys, so we'll be starting the taste testing now, and this is my friend Garima.
Hello.
So the first one we'll be trying is the sesame one, and this is supposed to be soupy. So let's start.
Okay. This is one of the popular brands, right?
Yeah. What is the name again?
I think it's Ottogi.
Ottogi, yeah.
Quite good.
Is it?
It's nice. I think the seaweed in ramen is growing on.
Yeah. And this one is not spicy at all. I don't even think it's written that it's spicy. Yeah, it just has mushrooms. It has spring onions. It's supposed to have an egg, I think. Is this it?
The dry yellow thing that they
Yeah,
put is
yeah,
egg.
yeah, yeah. So it has egg, mushrooms, and it has spring onions.
But I still would consider this as bland.
It's definitely not bland.
I think it's a little bit too salty for my liking.
Is it?
A little bit more too
Okay.
extra salt.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe because we haven't made it soupy as they
Yeah,
would
could
want
be.
us to
Could
be.
be,
We've
right?
reduced the water a little too much.
Since we are trying so many rounds, we were like, if we make it soupy, we won't be able to finish the others. So we made it a less soupy, so I guess that's why we are finding it a little salty.
I think this is one of the tasty ramen because the ones that I've tried, the non-spicy ones, some of them are not very pleasing for our palate. I didn't find them tasty.
Right.
This is not spicy and tasty, so it's a good thing.
So we are trying the next one now, and this one is a fiery one.
This is for this brand. This is the baby fiery one.
Just in case we can't handle it, this will help us.
So yeah, backup.
What is this?
I think it's seaweed and sesame seed.
Let's try this. I know that's spicy. And taste also is average, you know?
Actually, I think it's dried a little bit too much
Okay.
because of that.
In fact, I found the sesame one more masaledar and
But I really like the sesame and the seaweed topping that you tried on this. That gives a very good taste to it.
yeah.
If you check the SHU behind the packet, I think it's around 4,000 something. It's
Yeah.
4,400. And the 2x one is just the double of this.
What is SHU?
It's the Scoville heat unit.
Okay.
So it tells you how spicy this is.
Okay.
It's not spicy. You can feel it now.
Yeah. Now
It hits-
after yeah.
It hits you after 2 bites.
But it's something I think we can handle.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. I haven't tried the 2x one yet. Let's see someday. So we were looking for the 2x one. We went to several grocery stores, convenience stores, and for some reason we didn't find it. So maybe over time, when I find it, I'll definitely make a video on that one as well. You have tried the 2x one, no?
I have.
How is it?
It's pretty spicy.
Spicier than this also?
It's double the amount of spice in this. So, although I'd say I really liked it because it was very spicy, but it's not something that you want to eat all the time because it does take your body for a toll.
Okay, now this is getting spicy.
This is the perfect amount of spicy. I mean, if I want to have something really spicy and I'm bored to cook, I'll probably have this one. There is this one death chip. I don't know what they call it. It's something like that. It's just a box and one big chips in it. It's a potato chip or what, I don't know.
Okay.
And it's supposed to be extremely hot. And the challenge with that is, like for these noodles, you just have to finish it and the challenge is done. With that is that you have to finish eating that one chip and you
Okay.
have to time yourself on a stopwatch on camera for 5 minutes. You can't have any liquids.
Oh.
And in those 5 minutes, you see the transition on the face of the person who's eaten it. It turns red.
So that chip isn't, you get it here in Korea or?
I'm not sure. I don't know where you get it, but
Okay.
where else would you get it? I was thinking out loud that if not Korea, then where?
Where else?
It burns your lips.
Yeah, it does. I don't know how the others are going to be.
I think Korea has that standard definition of spice: 1 chili, 2 chili, 3 chili. Because one of the restaurants that we went to,
Yeah.
even there they told us that it's 1 chili, 2 chili, 3 chili.
Right.
And it reminded me of a pack of ramen.
So the next one we are trying is this, and we took like a 5-minute break after the second one because we had to cool down. So this also has around 2 chilies. Yeah. So I'm excited to try this. Let's start.
Same. All the best.
All the best.
The first bite is not spicy. Not at all.
Not at all. Do you remember the second one? Even for the second one, you were like, first bite is not spicy. After that, you were like, oh god.
This was not very tasty.
Mm.
Like it's
Yeah.
like salt and chili.
Yeah.
I think this is one of those noodles on which you, if you give a little bit of touch up with some vegetables or
Yeah.
some meat, or you can add some bacon
Yeah.
or ham, it'll taste really nice.
Correct.
Because the flavor in itself is not very strong.
Right.
So the add-ons will be very tasty.
Yeah. But I found this very similar to the first one also.
It's the same brand, right?
That one was Uttoki. Yeah, it's the same brand.
Hmm.
It's the same brand, yeah. No, this isn't as spicy as the second one.
Like I would say it's in between the first one and the second one.
Yeah.
But before Korea, I wasn't a fan of these soupy noodles.
Okay.
Because in India, I think what we ate was Maggi.
Maggie.
So Maggi, I'm not a fan of soupy Maggi.
Yeah. So the next one we are trying is the carbonara one. And this is also supposed to be a little spicy, but it's supposed to be cheesy as well. So let's try this.
It's yummy.
Very cheesy.
I don't think I could ever imagine instant ramen being
Yeah.
cheesy and so tasty.
Yeah. It's the right amount of spice.
Yes, it's perfect.
Yeah. I think amongst all the 4 of them that we've tried, this is the best.
Best. Hands down.
Which brand is this?
I think it's the same brand, Samyang.
Yeah, it's Samyang. So we've tried 2 of Ottoki and 2 of Samyang, right?
This also has those dried parsley, which I think these people love.
Right.
Because everywhere, all the sandwiches and the cooking videos that I see, Korean cooking videos, they love using this dried parsley.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of the parsley flavor, but here it goes very
Goes
well.
well. Yeah.
I'm a team coriander.
Now it's something very different. I mean, this is one flavor that I haven't tasted anywhere else.
True. Like even in India, the instant pastas that we get,
Right.
they don't taste nice.
Yeah.
I mean, it is pasta. You boil it and you put the cheesy
Yeah.
sauce in it,
Yeah.
but it's not great. It's very average.
Yeah.
This is delicious.
Yeah. So now this is the last one, and this is something very unique.
We took a sneak peek.
Yes. So you have the noodles here like this, and then you have the oil.
Is it one of those rice noodles?
I think so.
Hannah?
Yeah.
Ooh, it looks like a loofah.
We have the oil here, and then
That looks
I don't know
spicy.
what this is. You have these 3 packets.
There are more packets than noodles in this.
3 packets of something. So let's see what this is.
I think the first thing we do is put the noodles.
Yeah.
This is like those mystery box challenges. You don't know what's there in this. It's only going to hit you when you eat it. It's
They look like glass noodles, you know, the thinner version of glass noodles.
Either it is glass noodles or it's that rice thing. All of their noodles have these dehydrated vegetables, right?
Yeah.
This is again some dried. These are vegetables only.
Yeah, I think vegetables only.
What is it?
Looks like maybe cheese.
Yeah, smells like cheese. Now comes the chili oil. Oh, these are those flat noodles
Yeah.
which were curled up in the other packet. This is soupy in all senses. It's like half a liter of water in it.
Yes.
It smells a lot like the fresh hot pots.
No, I'm getting a very sweet, that sivaiya smell I'm getting.
Are you sure you didn't buy this from the dessert section? Because a lot of Korean things, can I have this one?
Yeah.
A lot of Korean things are sweet, which are not supposed to be sweet. For
Yeah.
example, the cheese balls. They are like our auntie ka laddu. So I wouldn't be surprised if these noodles turn out to be sweet.
How's it?
It's spicy, but it's yummy.
Not my cup of tea.
You don't like it?
I don't like it. Not my cup of tea.
One of the ingredients that they use in their broth is I don't know what kind of peppercorn it is, but it's got a very minty
minty taste.
minty taste.
Correct.
I don't like that too. I remember when we were in Paris, we got this dumplings, frozen dumplings. It was a Chinese company, Chinese style dumplings, and it had a very strong flavor of the peppercorn, or I don't know what it is. I'm still yet to research. And I got the same flavor in that broth, but not as strong. Something that you'll take time to get used to it.
Definitely, you'll take time to get used to this, because I'm having this for the first time and I'm not liking it at all.
I have had this flavor. This is maybe the third time that I'm having it, and now I can tolerate it. I will not say that this is bad, but I can get used to it maybe if I have it for 4-5 more times.
Yeah.
But for the first time, we left it. So if you don't eat it, I don't blame you, but I'm gonna have one more spoon.
Okay guys, so we are going to conclude the video in a minute or so. So these were all the flavors we tried. So according to you, just rate them in the level of spiciness.
Spiciness?
Yes.
I think the spiciest of all was this one
This
for me.
one.
Number 2 would be this one, though we didn't eat it properly.
Yeah.
But I think if we had eaten a lot with the broth, it would have hit us.
It does.
Because it had that chili oil,
Yeah.
which we clearly didn't have a lot of
Yeah.
it. So this is number 2. This would be number 3,
Okay.
4 and 5. But that was not spicy.
Spicy. Yeah. Okay, so next, rate them according to how much you have liked them.
I think the best one for me was this one.
Okay.
The cheese one is the tastiest. Number 2, there's a conflict because there's something weird about this, but I like it. And this. So I think for me it will be a tie right now between these two for number 2.
Okay.
3 would be this and 4 would be this.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and we enjoyed eating all of this and trying all of this.
It's time to go for a nap now.
Yeah. So I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Bye.
Bye.